Welcome everyone, my name is Marlene, the creator behind Tone's Caribbean Body, a project that was started from the onset of COVID-19, where I simply share with you holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome to the final session, the finale in our 4-part series, Fireside Cooking in Trinidad and Tobago. But not only are we celebrating this final part in the series, we're also celebrating whoop whoop. Yes, it's been 3 months since we've been bringing this type of content to you, our subscribers. And if you could just do me a favor, just one small favor, if you've been liking and appreciating the content to date, just drop a comment down below for us, or just simply like this video, or better yet, subscribe to our channel. Yes, so we have been enjoying this journey, and I believe we're going to be in this for the long haul. Yes, so guys, if you notice all around me, it's green. Yes, this is where it all started for me, in my hometown, in the village, in the eastern part of Tobago, where my dreams about fireside cooking, that's where it all started, guys. This is where all the pot corn and the boiled corn and everything fireside related, it all emanated right here. And I'm just so stoked. I'm just thrilled to be bringing this final session, this final part of this series from the hometown, from my hometown, from the base. Yes, guys, and I really do hope you enjoy not only the finale, but I really do hope you've been enjoying the series thus far. And also, I hope you stick around to see what else we have for you, in the future here on Toned Caribbean Body. Enjoy! So we're putting the finishing touches on our concrete, filling in the empty spaces and just making sure that the structure holds up to the elements. Remember what the objective for me doing this raised tire fireside? It was to prevent the bending that one would normally do on a traditional fireside that's down to the ground. And here we have our concrete all dried. We're all set to plaster the rough exterior of this tire fireside. You just simply mix cement with sand, and that will give you a nice soft, I don't even know what the term is, but that gives you a nice finished, smooth outer exterior. Does that even make sense? Anywho, you'll see in the next slide. Here you can see my dad is working his magic with this masonry tool just to ensure that the plastering material, the plastering mixture is well combined and it does what it has to do on the surface to which it will be applied. Now the plastering process is well underway using the sand and cement mixture that we just did. The idea really is just to ensure that the tire fireside has a bit of appeal to it. Yes, it's for home use, but it still has to look good. So what my dad is doing here is creating a lip right around the edge of the fireside, sort of like a holding bay that the dirt will now be poured into, and that will help to rest the stones that will mount the fireside. Drop a comment down below for me if you get the idea of what we are hoping to achieve. Just simply use a piece of sponge just to smoothen up the outside a bit, and once it's dried, this is your finished product. Dirt is just poured into the center and your tire side can now be mounted and used. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next Friday.